This ChatGPT account is making over $40,000 a month using Canva. No ads, no team, no design degree. And the craziest part is, it's 100% free to start. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact system that you could copy, even if you're starting from zero, to create your own passive income machine using Canva and ChatGPT. Most YouTubers will just tell you to make a digital planner and post it on Etsy. But today, I'm giving you the full blueprint. How to pick the right product, how to use ChatGPT to build it for you, how to make it look premium in Canva, and how to go viral so people actually buy it. If you stay to the end, I'll also show you the 3 monetization methods to bring this to 5 figures a month. Let's be real, Canva templates are everywhere. So why do some people make 40K a month and why do some struggle to even make one sale? It comes down to 2 things. 1, buyer psychology, and 2, offer positioning. People don't buy a journal, they buy a transformation. They want to feel better after a breakup, get organized during pregnancy, or start healing their anxiety. When you combine emotional triggers with a clean Canva design and use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting, it becomes a money printing machine. So let's pick a niche that sells itself. I asked ChatGPT, give me 10 Canva-based digital product ideas that trigger emotional impulse buys. But I wanted a product that's emotional, plus evergreen, plus easy to make. So I narrowed it down and chose
The Romance Revival Kit.
it's hard emotionally, has constant demand, and doesn't need complex design. Now I went to ChatGPT again and typed 10 daily prompts and affirmations to keep the romance alive. And boom, it gave me
What's one thing your partner did recently that made you feel love? Describe your favorite memory together. What is one quality you admire most in your partner, etc.
Then I said make a 7-day plan with page titles and descriptions. Now I have my whole entire content written in less than 3 minutes, ready to paste into Canva. Head over to Canva, search journal or ebook templates. I chose a minimalist design, no clutter, just clean lines and calming colors. Then I added 1 prompt per page, a simple progress tracker, a daily affirmation section. Then I fixed the text, edited it, added some colors,
Let's go!
and then added a frame around it to make it look nicer. It's finally completed. Now it's ready for download. Here's where most people mess up. Now it sounds like something worth paying for, not just a random Canva doc. And now it looks like a legit product. How we drive traffic for free. You're going to use ChatGPT one more time. Write a 30-second love story that ends with a message about cherishing the little moments and keeping love alive. Then get 2 to 3 B-roll videos on Canva related to romance and compile them and then click download. Upload your files, drag them down to the timeline. Download some royalty-free music so you can add a twist to the video to make it stand out more. Paste the text story that ChatGPT gave us originally in the video. Boom, it's finished. Now click export. Post these daily to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. These story-style reels go viral fast, especially when they're raw and emotional. Monetize in 3 smart ways. Here's how you make your first 1K, then scale to 10K plus a month. Sell your product on Gumroad or StanStore for $7 and $17. Use a freebie lead magnet like a 1-page cheat sheet to grow your email list. Launch a Substack and send 2 romance revival stories a month for $5 a month. This is optional. Offer a mini course on how you built this system once you start getting actual results, because people will buy it just to copy you. You don't need a crazy skill set. You don't need money. You just need ChatGPT, Canva, and a little strategy. If you want my templates, prompts, and help building your own Canva system, click the link in the description box to book a free call with me. Let me see if I can help you out. Let's build your digital product business the smart way. If you guys got value from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. I drop videos every single day. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Like, share, comment, save. I'm out. Peace.